Hey guys, welcome back to my another video, and for today's video I'm gonna be doing some unboxing video. So this is gonna be my first unboxing video, no? So for tonight I'm gonna be unboxing my new HUAWEI MateBook D14. Yeah, Ryzen 7. So start na tayo. So before we start, I'm gonna show you the freebies of this laptop. We got the HUAWEI Bluetooth wireless mouse. We got this and a mini humidifier, I don't know. So yeah, and the free HUAWEI backpack. Yes.
Yes, this is it. Backpack.
So now let's unbox this.
Open already.
Ito siya. It comes with a free AA battery. Yes. Let's put the battery first. Magnet. So ayan na. Nalagay na natin, bumigat siya. Ayan, nagbukas na. Ayan. It turns on. Alright, let's quickly go inside. Let's off this first. And let's see what's inside here. Yes. I don't know what is this. Yeah, comes with a manual and the charger. Micro. Okay, disclaimer, I'm not good at unboxing because this is gonna be my first unboxing video. Right, let's proceed to the main one, laptop. Hey guys, so this is it, the HUAWEI MateBook D14. So disclaimer, I'm not very good at unboxing, especially while I'm vlogging, because this is gonna be my first unboxing video. So please, and another disclaimer, I'm not trying to brag. Hindi ako nagmamayabang. So yon, this for my study and for YouTube. Before we start, if you're new here, please don't forget to click the subscribe button. I think it's here or here, anywhere. If you see a red subscribe button, yeah. Then if you do like this video, please click the like button. And yon, let's start. Alright, so I'm gonna tell you first the specification of this laptop. Alright, I will show you in front of here. Alright, did you see it? Alright, I'm gonna tell you. So, the laptop that I have here is a HUAWEI MateBook D14, and color is Mystic Silver, and the CPU is AMD Ryzen 7 3700U, and the GPU is AMD Radeon RX Vega 10, and the RAM, of course, 8GB, and the storage of this laptop is 512GB SSD, and the size of the screen is 14-inch. So yun, let's start unboxing this video. Alright. Siya ako. Yan. Let's go unbox it. Unbox this guy. My baby. So yun. Binili to sa akin ng parents ko. So yun, thank you mommy and daddy for buying this laptop for me. Right? Hirap mong tanggalin. Oh, ito na. The price of this laptop is 2,899 ringgit, is equivalent to 33,766 pesos. So yun, R7 na siya. Kaya mas mura dito sa Malaysia bumili ng mga gadget dahil mas mura dito, no? R7 siya, yun. Hindi nyo ako maintindihan sa mga English na viewer dyan. I got this laptop at price of 2,899 ringgit. Yeah, let's start unboxing. So, this is the laptop. Reflect. So, let's put this at the side first. And look, let's look inside. You get the manual. Quick start guide, but we don't read this. And of course, the charger. Ang liit niya.
Okay. How do I open this? Oh. Oh. Wow. Oh.
Ayun siya, oh. Ganito lang siya kalaki. On my hand, this is how big it is. Yeah, it's 65 watts. So yun. So I think this is gonna be a fast charger. And of course, we got the charger cable. And this is a USB-C to USB-C. Ayan. So I don't know. I think this one is 2 meters. So yeah. Put this one back again. Put this thing at the side first. And now, no more inside. There's nothing left inside. Let's bring the laptop.
Ayun. I'm very excited to unbox this.
This is it. HUAWEI Mystic Silver. That is the side. The side again. And the back. Under. Right? And there you have it. This one. This is the laptop. This is the inside. Of course, this is gonna be a plastic. And the camera is here. Let's turn this thing on. This is gonna be the fingerprint / power button. And yes, I did set up this thing already, as you can see. Okay, let's take a look. And this backlit keyboard. And let's go set up this guy. Well, basically I set up already. And let's set up the fingerprint. Alright, it's done setting this thing. That's the recess. Comes with a Type-C, USB, HDMI, and on the other side it has a microphone jack and a USB again. And that's it. Now we're done unboxing this. And yeah, if you like this unboxing video, please give it a thumbs up and comment down below. Feel free to comment down below. Suggest any type of video, but not too hard. Right. So like, comment, subscribe. Peace.